In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Then scroll down again and tap on Font Size and Style. Now click on Font Style. Tap on one of those fonts to apply a perfect one and go back. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you wish to try something more interesting, click Font Size and Style, tap on Font Style and choose Download Fonts. Then download a perfect one for you by clicking on this icon next to it, or tapping on it and hitting Install. To apply it, go back to the list and tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!